All right, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the image review on a Canon EOS RP. All right, so first thing you want to do is turn the camera on. Then you're going to come to Menu, and you should be in the first icon unless you've changed it. To navigate to the image review, we're going to use this little circle here, or we could touch it, but this is probably easier for you. You move down to image review by clicking there. Then when we're there, we click this. Now, I've got it set on 2 seconds. That means when I take a photo, I'm going to see the image in this viewfinder right here for 2 seconds. But if you need more time to decide if you like that photo, you can move it to 4 or you can move it to 8. I'm going to keep it on 2 seconds for right now and just click on that. Bam. And now that's set for 2 seconds. So whenever I take a picture, it's going to show up in this screen for 2 seconds and I can evaluate whether I like it or not. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I show you other stuff like this. Peace out.